Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to cut a flare, 720-degree flare to be precise. So here I'm just trying to show you how to fold the fabric, how I folded my fabric. So what you just do is that you fold your fabric into two like I'm doing so, then you fold it again, making four, and that's how I folded my own fabric. So here the next is I would like to show you the measurements of how the 360-720 flare comes about. So now what I'm going for, like I said earlier, is actually 720 flare. So you start with your waist measurement. The waist measurement is actually 32 inches. So the waist measurement is 32 inches. Then you go ahead and add whatever allowance you want. For me, I just want 4 inches allowance, making 36 inches. You can go ahead and add more than that. I don't really want maybe pleating on anything. So the next thing is that you divide your 36 inches divided by 4. It will give me 9. So that 9 will have been my 360-degree flare. That's what I'll be using if I'm going for 360-degree flare. But this is not 360, it is actually 720. So what you do is that you divide the 9 again by 2 and you'll be working with whatever answer you got. So for me, it is 4.5 inches I'll be working with. So I'll start off from the tip so from that very tip, I'll make sure that I'm having a kind of a curve. Maybe let me say a quarter of a circle, half of a semicircle. The measurement I'll be having there, I'll make sure that it is 4.5 because the measurement I got was 4.5. So I'll make sure that whatever I'm having is 4.5. So what I did was I just measured 3 inches by 3 inches and I tried to make a curve from there, and I will make sure that my curve is actually 4.5 and I'll adjust it to suit whatever I want. So basically I'm just trying to make sure that what I'm having, it is 4.5 and not bigger than that. So the length I'm working with is actually 9 inches, but because I'm cutting directly on the fabric, I'll have to add my stitching allowance. So I go ahead and add it to 1 inches extra because I'll be holding half inches up and half inches down. So I'll just go ahead and make 10 inches all around. Then I'll be connecting the dots, then I'll be cutting it out. So after cutting out this particular one, I'll go ahead and cut out another one exactly like this. I'll go ahead and cut another one out. So what I'm just doing here is just I'm using my former fabric to cut out another one exactly. So basically I'm done cutting with my 720 flare. But as you can all see, the 720 flare is basically gotten from two 360 flare. So what I'll do next is that I'll be cutting one side of the flare, each of them, because later on I'll have to join the two of them together. So this is my flare. Yeah, I'm having 218 inches flare, and that gives me 36 inches, and that's exactly the measurement that I want. So what I'll just do next is that I'll use it to cut out the lining for each. I'll be cutting the lining for each. Then you can decide to do whatever you want here. You might actually want to first of all iron your steel on your fabric before adding your lining, or do anything you want. But basically this is all for how to cut a flare. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.